How to become an expert in import and export business. Starting an import and export business can be a rewarding and profitable venture for entrepreneurs with the right knowledge, expertise, and resources. It involves buying goods from one country and selling them in another, often at a much higher price. This type of business is becoming increasingly popular as globalization makes it easier to find customers in different parts of the world. This video will provide you with a comprehensive guide to starting a successful import and export business, covering everything from researching the market and finding the right products to selling and shipping goods internationally. 1. Research the market. Before you start an import and export business, it's important to thoroughly research the market and understand the ins and outs of the industry. Knowing what to look for will help you identify potential opportunities and avoid costly mistakes. Start by researching the different types of products that are in demand in different countries. Look for items that are not easily available in your target market or are a lot cheaper in the country of origin. You can also research the price of similar products in different markets to determine the best way to make a profit. Once you've identified a few potential product categories, research the laws and regulations governing the import and export of those items. Different countries have different restrictions on what can be imported or exported, so make sure you understand what is and isn't allowed in each country. 2. Find the right suppliers. Once you've identified the products you want to import and export, you'll need to find reliable suppliers. It's important to find suppliers who can provide quality products at competitive prices. Start by researching potential suppliers online. Look for reviews and ratings from other customers to get an idea of the supplier's reliability. You should also consider their shipping policies and delivery times to make sure the goods will reach their destination on time. If possible, try to establish a long-term relationship with your suppliers. This will enable you to negotiate better prices and ensure a steady supply of goods. 3. Build relationships with customers. Before you start importing and exporting goods, it's important to build relationships with customers in the countries you plan to target. You can do this by advertising your business online and attending trade shows, conferences, and other networking events. It's also a good idea to take the time to learn about the culture and business practices in the countries you plan to target. This will help you better understand the needs of your customers and build stronger relationships. 4. Set up an efficient shipping process. Once you've found suppliers and customers, you'll need to set up an efficient shipping process. This includes selecting the right shipping company and setting up a tracking system for goods in transit. You should also research the customs regulations in the countries you're shipping goods to. This will help you avoid any potential delays due to taxes and fees. 5. Use online platforms to promote your business. Once your business is up and running, you'll need to promote it online to reach a wider audience. You can do this by setting up a website and using social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You should also consider using online marketplaces such as Alibaba and Amazon to reach a global audience. These platforms make it easy to list and manage your products, and they also provide powerful search engine optimization (SEO) tools to help you reach the right customers. 6. Stay up to date with changes in the market. The import and export market is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments. You should regularly research the latest regulations, trends, and technologies in the industry to ensure you're always one step ahead of the competition. Some tips on how to be an expert in international trade as a businessman. As a business owner, international trade can be a great way to increase your bottom line. But it can also be a complicated and risky endeavor. To be successful in international trade, business owners need to have a thorough understanding of the rules, regulations, and processes involved in international trade. Here are some tips to help you become an expert in international trade. 1. Understand the rules and regulations. The first step to becoming an expert in international trade is to understand the laws, rules, and regulations that govern international trade. This includes the various trade agreements between countries, the laws that govern customs and tariffs, and the regulations that govern the shipment of goods. Additionally, familiarize yourself with the regulations governing export and import of goods, services, and currency. 2. Research your markets. Researching your target markets is key to becoming an expert in international trade. You need to understand the different needs and preferences of different markets. This includes researching the competition, the pricing structures, and the potential for growth in different regions. You should also be aware of any restrictions or special requirements that could impact your international trade. 3. Hire expert help. Even if you have a thorough understanding of the rules and regulations governing international trade, it's always a good idea to hire expert help. This could come in the form of a customs broker, an accountant, or a lawyer. These professionals can help you navigate the complexities of international trade and ensure that you remain compliant with all applicable laws, regulations, and rules. 4. Invest in technology. Technology is essential for successful international trade. Investing in the right technology can help you streamline your processes, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. This includes investing in software to help you manage your logistics, automate processes, and track shipments. 5. Develop a network. Developing a strong network of contacts in the international trade market is important for any business. This includes building relationships with suppliers, customers, and other industry professionals. Having a network of contacts can help you stay on top of the latest developments in the market and be better prepared for potential issues or changes. By following these tips, you can become an expert in international trade. In addition, you should always stay up to date on any changes or developments in the market. With the right knowledge and resources, you can ensure that your business is successful in international trade.